Welcome. Today we are going to capture some basic information about the stagnation tube. This L-shaped glass tube is generally called a stagnation tube, used to measure the velocity of open channel. Open channel means where the fluid or particularly water is flowing, but it's open from above part or top part. Now let's consider the 2 point A and point B to measure the velocity of this stream. According to Bernoulli theorem, for both the point A and point B, the total energy is constant. Where we are talking about the total energy of any point in the open stream, so we consider the pressure energy here, the velocity means kinetic energy, and the potential energy. The sum of these three is generally K or constant according to Bernoulli's theorem. So for point A and point B, the equation will be like this. The point A is the pressure divided by density of that fluid and gravity, velocity square, and it's divided by the 2g plus ZA. Here Z is a constant for both because the height of point A and point B is the same. So the Z, a potential energy, is the same for the both the point. Now when stagnation tube is inserted in the stream, the fluid enter in the tube and level in the tube is raised up to the certain level or certain height. Suppose the height is d. Here when we inserted this tube into the stream, the water level is increased in stagnation tube or in glass tube, the raised up to the h height. Now depth of both the point is d from the top. Point A is d meter or d semi deep, and point B is also d semi or d unit depth. Z is a potential energy as we talked earlier. So here we consider ZA and ZB are the same. So it is minimized here. Here we put a V square velocity or kinetic energy point for point B is 0 because here the velocity is something, but once the filled glass tube does not exert any velocity at its opening, so we put a kinetic energy point B is 0. The velocity of liquid point A is VA. Velocity at point B is VB, and VB is 0 because the liquid will not flow once tube is filled up. Here we also consider Z is deleted from both sides as they are the same for both the points. So there is a no Z here. Pressure on a point A will be equal to the depth of it's from the top or bottom, so this is only D pressure, but on a point B it will be a D plus H because this liquid is also create a pressure on point B. So we consider for point A only depth, and for point B depth plus height of the liquid. So according to our this last equation, only two things are remaining. VA means the velocity of point A, and H, that the raise in the height. So by simplifying this equation we can conclude that the VA is equal to under root 2GH, where G is the gravitational force. So with the help of this only stagnation tube, we can measure the velocity of any open stream.